Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the DeBank airdrop. Now farming this DeBank airdrop is pretty simple and straightforward, and DeBank has managed to raise the overall funding of 25 million US dollars with a current valuation of around 200 million dollars. Now if we go ahead and check the tweet over here, as you can see, there was a snapshot that was taken on 4th of July 2024 for the initial XP. Now those who have been active on their MetaMask wallet would be getting some initial XP on DeBank. Now before we move on to DeBank farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now apart from this, once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also eligible to participate in different airdrop campaigns on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now in order to farm the DeBank airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet to DeBank. Now you can go ahead and use my sign up referral link for DeBank, as it really supports my channel. Now once you connect your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to XP over here and go ahead and claim the initial XP. Now I'm sure most of you must be having at least some initial XP that you can go ahead and claim on your wallets. Now once you do that, apart from this, there is something called as a referral XP, where you can invite your friends or family members to get some additional XP on DeBank. Now there is something called as a Quest XP as well, where you have to simply go to Quest over here and search for the active quest over here. So as you can see, currently there are these 3 active quests, and they have mentioned the steps as to how you can go ahead and complete all of this quest. Now by completing all of this quest, you will be getting some additional XP. So in order to farm this airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to keep accumulating as much XP as possible. Now to be honest, I am also a bit late for farming this airdrop, because if we go and check in the quest, the close one, there were a lot of quests which I didn't manage to complete on my wallet. But there might be some future quests that you can go ahead and complete. And currently there are these 3 quests that you can go ahead and complete in order to get this additional XP over here. So most probably this airdrop, DeBank airdrop, would be based on the overall XP accumulated. And this is all for this video with regards to DeBank airdrop farming. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.